Good morning, everyone. I quickly want to record and show you the different features you could use. The first one I want to show you is the past exam question. Well, firstly, if you click a section and you don't see a topic in there, that means no lesson is made available to you, right? And so what had happened was we actually did not make all the lessons visible to her, only made this one visible to her. On climatology for this whole topic, but I've made all the lessons visible now. Now the feature I want to look at is when you are in the Socratic challenge, you will see this button here. If you click it, it will give you a list of all the tools and actions you can use on YYeni. And there are key ones I want you to be familiar with. The first one is a flash quiz. So where once you are done with the conversation or the lesson, maybe you're at version 5 or 6 and you are finally done with covering all the objectives, you can see the objectives here. If you click that one, you'll see the objectives you're supposed to cover in your lesson, right? Now, once you click the flash quiz, you will be able to take quizzes. Now, if you see that there is nothing, like here it says there's 0 questions, you can click generate flash quiz, and that should generate a set of questions or quizzes for you to attempt. After you have taken the lesson, you should now be able to do this flash quiz and answer it confidently. And ideally, you should get everything correct, like 100%. It might be 25 questions or 30 questions. And if you don't get everything correct, make sure you read the explanation, and then you come and try the quiz again to make sure next time you get it correct. So it's going to take a while to load here. So let me just open YYeni up again in a different tab here so we can continue showing you the other features. Okay, while it's loading here, the other thing I wanted to show you is the past exam question. So let me find grade 8 geography. Let me pick revision lessons and climatology. Okay, so when you click this one here, you can come to past exam questions. Now, if we've matched the exam questions, you will see the list of questions you should do. These are actual exam questions that were asked in the exam a few years ago. So you can click on it and say, work on this question with YYeni. And then you will see a button that's here. So click that button so it opens up the actual question. So you can actually see the question. And so this is a 2017 paper 1, question 1A on page 2. It's 4 marks. It's covering the objectives in this lesson. Now on this side, you'll be able to talk to YYeni, and YYeni is going to guide you in answering this question. But it's YYeni already knows what is here. So this is for you to see what the question is about. You get it by clicking this button here. And then you will see what the question is. So you will answer this question here, but you must answer it here by typing here. And you must look at what YYeni is asking you and answer. So it's not going to ask you to answer everything at once. It will ask you first it will work with you first. It will just guide you and tutor you on answering this question. So just focus on answering what YYeni is asking you here. So if YYeni is not asking you to answer question Roman 4, just focus on answering what is here. So don't answer this question 4 yet. Wait until YYeni asks you, then you answer it. So you answer as you are going, right? So those are 2 things, the past exam questions and then the flash quizzes. So the flash quiz is done. We have 31 questions. So you start off by clicking start quiz, and then there's a timer. Here is 40 seconds, I see. And then it's asking you a question. During the day, the land heats up faster than the sea. This difference in temperature often leads to the development of which local wind? Okay. Then you pick an answer. Then it will give you, if you are correct, it will go green. And then it will give you an explanation. Please, please, please. Whether you have the answer correct or you have it wrong, you must read this explanation. Okay, a lot of learners skip the explanation, and that's not good. You must read this explanation, why the answer is correct. And then you click next question. Here, if we choose a wrong answer, okay, that was a guess, it was correct. You also read the explanation. Then you go to the next question. If you choose the wrong one, okay, that also was correct, but it was a guess. Make sure you read this answer, this explanation. And then if you choose the wrong one, see, yes, this is the wrong one. If you click here, that one is wrong, it should show you red. Make sure you read the explanation. Don't just go next question until you answer all your questions, okay? The aim is to get all these questions correct. If you have done the lesson and you have completed it, you should be able to get, at least in your first try, 80 to 90% correct. And whatever you got wrong, you should be able to get it correct in the next try, okay? So you should do these flash quizzes for every single lesson, okay? Thank you.